That was funny. Okay. I guess since this is here, that means you know it's homework. Anyways, from the last video, that's all cube. The reason why this was wrong was because it was supposed to be in parentheses. Of course. Seriously, why? Just why? Like, why is that? I don't know why the random things are in parentheses. It's not the rule of what is in parentheses and what isn't is not applied consistently at all in all of our example problems of every single financial statement that we have to look at. It's just completely random whether it's in parentheses or not. So anyways, is this the whole question done? No. Taxable income for both for the 2 years. Really, you have to add these? They do the subtraction for you, but they make you do the addition. Awesome. Just awesome. So 92,950 times 2. Like, seriously, they make you do that. So 185,900. Oh, come on. All I did was multiply it by 2. It should be correct. This is so crap. This is such crap. Are you kidding me? How? That's literally just what it is. 92,950 times 2. How? Just how? Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh wait. Now, why on earth does this total up to 92,950? It doesn't make any sense. It should be this minus this. How does this not work? Hello? Hello? Are you stupid? Oh, that's funny. This is stupid. They literally did it wrong. It should be 80,000 minus 12,950. Okay. Equals 80,000 minus 12,950. 67,084. And then this was this times 2. So 134,100. And by the way, I'm gonna have to do all this again. Like I'm gonna have to do all this again. Wait, how is this not okay? Oh, all of this part is correct. I'm gonna have to do this whole assignment a second time just so I can get one answer right. Just so I can get one measly little point. Well, I don't know if it's one. It's one. We have to do part B. Now, what's the difference between... Dude, they're gonna make you type everything again. Oh. That was so great. This is so great. They're gonna give you 4 different situations. I'm gonna have to type everything 4 times. Now he combines his charitable contributions for the next 2 years and makes the combined contribution in December of 2022. Therefore, it will be both in 2022 instead. So basically what he does is do both of them in that year. So this is the same. The only difference is now the itemized deduction will be it will be 2800 plus 1600, so 18,800 should be this. And this should be 2,800. 2,800. There, that should be right. Good. Now the standard deduction, we already calculate that this is 12,950, right? Well, not calculate, it's just a number that was made up, basically. Now the greater of standard deduction over. So the greater of these two is 18, and they want you to make it negative. Of course, just randomly out of nowhere, just make it negative. So maybe this will work now. Hey, it works this time, it didn't work last time. I don't know why that's the case. Why on earth is that the case? Maybe the reason it didn't work before is because instead of, I didn't put it in a negative sign, I put it in a parenthesis. Maybe if I put it as a negative, it is a negative already. So why didn't this work? This is such crap. It's just a mistake. But at least it works on this one. So 2 years taxable income, 61 equals 61,200 plus 67,050. Okay, so 128,250. We are going to compare all the scenarios to see which one is the most favorable. That's what we're doing this for. We're trying to figure out what's the best way to pay this charity in order to have the most tax benefits. Yay! So your total taxable income for the 2 years is 128,250. Here it's 134,100. This is a more favorable way to do it because yeah, who cares? Okay. Next scenario. Plans to purchase a residence next year. You sniffed. He's going to purchase a residence. Which year? 2023? Or 2022? This is crap. Okay, so in 2022 he's going to purchase a personal residence, additional property taxes. Oh, come on. Oh. Okay, now we have to figure out the fact that we will have 8,000. So we will have. We're going to add both of these in to the deductions, and it's going to be wrong. Our original amount was 10,800. And now we'll add 12,000, and we have 22,800. So let's see if that's correct. it just so happens to be that both of those are deductible. If only I knew why. This is so incredibly complicated. Like, you know what our professor's going to make us do? He's going to make us memorize the entire tax law. Like, literally the entire thing. And not be able to take the test. An open book test. Now, okay, so probably based on experience, our professor is going to have one part of the test be multiple choice and closed book, and the second part will be a take-home quiz where it's open book. Or maybe what he's going to do is be very mean and make us do both parts of the test in class. Oh, no. No, 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 no. Please. Based on how poorly he was able to estimate the length of time to take a quiz that one time, I am very worried about this test. Because he gave us a quiz. You know how... Okay, so... He gave us a quiz where we had to calculate, like... We had to look at a bunch of information and then figure out what's the taxable income. And then what's the tax owed or something like that. Then he gave us a very similar quiz to that quiz that was take home. And you know how long it took me to do the quiz at home? It took over 2 hours. And you know how long he gave us to do the first quiz in class? 15 minutes. He gave us 15 minutes to do 2 hours worth of work. Like, so funny, dude. It's so funny. Now, the only reason it took me 2 hours was because I had to look up a bunch of information that I didn't know. So if I had known all the information, I wouldn't have taken that one. But still, seriously? Come on. That is why I'm worried about our first test in this class. I've had him for 3 other classes, and the tests were pretty difficult to get done on time, but I was able to do them. I just had to go extremely fast throughout the test and not double check anything. Just do it all as fast as humanly possible. Let's get this standard deduction. Keep forgetting it. 950. At the end of this, I'm just going to have the standard deduction memorized. Well, a single person standard deduction. Greater of standard. Itemized deductions are greater. So negative. At least this part's easy. And it actually worked. So total taxable income for both years equals 57,200 times 2. I'm just going to type it into here. Hey, what if I do this too? Hey, that worked. May as well get used to typing that. 114,400. Is this taxable income less than those other years? I don't freaking care. Next. This was just so tedious. Man, what is this? This is a piece. This question is just a piece of work. Look at all the stuff you have to type for every single part of this question. They're like, let's try 4 different scenarios and calculate how much taxable income you'll have every year. This is the exact same thing as before. Okay, this is basically combined B and C together, except instead of 2022, it's paid in 2023. Awesome. So itemized deductions, we have already determined. Oh, okay. We have to add everything up. What are the deductions? We're going to have 12,000 plus no charitable contribution plus this. Right. You know what's going to be fun? So it's going to be 12,000 plus this. So it's going to be 14,800. This should be 14,800. This one should be, so 12,000 plus, so it'll be 14,800 plus 16,000. So it'll be plus 16,000 should be 30,800. Please be right, dang it. God, come on. Come on. How? How is this wrong? Dang it. The deduction should include these taxes. They were included before. In 2022, there's no tax. How is this wrong? It's 12,000 plus these taxes right here, state income taxes. So 12,000 plus this is 14,800. How is this wrong? That was literally the answer for one of them, wasn't it? No. Because there was charity involved in this year, but this year oh, I misread the question, never mind. For a second I thought, okay, never mind. So he makes the charitable contribution for 2023 in December of 2022. You know what's hilarious? I misread it. It is in fact exactly the fact that B and C are combined to make D. He did both B and C combined. Anyways, I misread the question, that's why I got it wrong. So, take the number that you put for B, 18,800, add these two numbers and you should get the answer. So 18,800 plus 12,000 3,800. There we go. 300. And then this one should be the 14,800, right? Yeah. Greater of itemized deductions is for both of them is 8,800, 14,800. I forgot to put it as a negative sign. God damn. I think those things are messed up. These two things are screwed up. Of course they are. Of course they are. Now I have to do the math manually. 80,000 minus 30,800. So 114,400. I hadn't even checked to see if it was right. I just exited it immediately. I finally did that, and I'm going to have to do it all over again. It's going to be so sad. You know what I'm going to do? I'm probably going to try to go back and get the right answer. Before I do the whole thing again, I'm going to try to get the right answer for the one single question I could not get right. because that was so tedious. I don't want to do it again. He made interest income. Interest income. Huh? Hey. This is crap. Dude, why is it called standard deduction? He's a dependent. What? 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 This is such a fun question. This topic wasn't even in the textbook, was it? What? Maybe this was where it was. Yeah, but what if you're a dependent? No, it doesn't matter. The standard deduction is the same for whether you're dependent or not. It doesn't have a single thing. I'm just going to put 12,950 and see what happens. This is such crap. Why does it say standard deduction? That is such poor wording. That is such a poor choice of wording. Are you kidding me? What is that? He's claimed as a dependent. What? Hello? Oh. This is so funny. They have a homework question over this. Over this! What? Dude, they made a homework question over this most insignificant little thing. Are you kidding me? It's literally an asterisk. It's not even in the main text. It's right here. As tiny little insignificant text. Are you kidding me? It's the greater of this or this. $400 plus earned income. Alright, so what is 400 plus earned income? He made some income. Wait. Oh. He made some income. He made... well, he made too much income, so it's going to actually be... According to this piece of information right here that's in an asterisk, it's actually not part of the main text, so why would you need to study that? Apparently it's a homework question, though. So yeah, 1150. So now, can I please go back to the one question that I couldn't get right? Because I don't want to redo the whole thing. This is gonna suck. This question is gonna suck. This is gonna suck. To try to get this right, because I tried 0 already. I'll try it again, whatever. Man, what if I like 2007? What if I messed up? What if my original calculations was right? What's going to take longer, getting the right answer for this question or typing in all the answers for every single question again? Which tax gets to be included? Which tax gets to be included? Let's see here. Hotel tax. Maybe the airline tickets. I just thought of something. Maybe not both of those vacation taxes. Maybe one of them is and one of them isn't. That could be it. Maybe the travel counts. Oh. No, I don't think so. I feel like it should be neither, because if they're business expenses, then they would be a 4 AGI deduction. State tax on airline tickets, local hotel tax. Maybe only one of them is included. Let's say all of them except for the last one are included. $42.15. It's so hilarious how I've tried so many combinations and I still can't get the right answer. That is pretty hilarious. Let's try all of them except for the last one and the 700. Equals some this, and this. 3515. I mean, let's think through this right now. Like, look at what information I have to go off of to get this question. Just these 3 bullet points. That's all I have. So first of all, income taxes. Well, none of these are income taxes. So none of these apply. The only thing I have to go off of is this and this. Now, what about property taxes assessed on the value of the specific property? It doesn't specify whether these taxes are based on the value. So the only thing that would apply to would maybe be these, like the state tax on airline tickets. That's a I don't know if that counts as a property tax. Does that count as a property tax? What about a local hotel tax? Like, I've tried all the scenarios where you don't include those two things. But the thing we're most confused about is this. State and local real estate taxes on property held for personal or investment purposes. And now guess what? They say he holds the land for appreciation. Does that mean he held it for investment purposes? What purposes can you hold land for that do not count? Plus, these are all different types of taxes. It says inheritance tax, estate tax, school district tax. I don't know, do those all fall under this category or not? See, this is why this is dumb. Why don't they explain that? You're supposed to somehow glean that. You're supposed to somehow, like, figure out how this sentence applies to all of this on your own. How can you possibly know that? How? There's no explanation. And my entire assignment is based on this. If I'm unable to get this right, the only way for me to get 100% on this assignment is to redo the whole assignment, because I have to submit the assignment, look at the answer, and then I have to redo the whole assignment and put the correct answer in. But I also have to do all the other questions again. So I'm trying to get the right answer right now so I don't have to do the whole thing again. But I can't. For the life of me, I literally have tried so many different things and none of them are correct. How? How can this be this difficult? Okay, watch this. I'm gonna literally Google everything. Is state inheritance tax deductible? Look, according to this, that doesn't answer my question. I mean, it literally calls itself a real estate tax, and this says real estate tax. So therefore, you would think that would be right. School district tax. Tax deductible. But that's a tax, not a charity. I mean, these are all taxes on land. Real estate is land. That's what land is. That's just a synonym for land. See, look, it says something you own that is attached to a piece of land. So every single land tax should be counted toward it. This is stupid. My God. This is stupid. I can't submit as is because it's gonna... I'm just going to try the land stuff again. I'm just going to try it. I've already tried. Like, what if I made a mistake and I thought I tried something, but I didn't actually try it? Did I try 4090? I don't remember trying 4090. I can't submit it, look at the answer, and then, like, keep this tab open, so... I would be giving up if I did that because I don't know if that's going to work necessarily. I don't think it's going to work. It's going to refresh the page and be like, oh no, you actually submitted the assignment already, so you're good to go. Not good to go, in fact. From Maybe... No, I already tried that. I already tried doing everything except for 700. Hey, look, it says that this is not deductible. Yeah, but I already tried that. I already tried equals the sum of these three. 3390. And I already tried everything except for the special assessment. Well, according to Google, the 700 maybe is not deductible. Now, how can you possibly get that from the textbook? You couldn't. It's not in the textbook. I'm sorry. It just doesn't say it anywhere on the textbook. So how can you possibly know that? We'll try it again, though. We'll try including everything except for the 700. $3,710. How about we try including this one, but not this one? Okay, equals sum this, and this. I thought I already tried that. 3.5. I think I did. I think I did try that. How about we try equals sum this, and this. 3,585. County? Does a county tax count? County real estate tax. You would think that's a local tax. That counts. The textbook doesn't have enough information to answer this question. It doesn't. It just doesn't. This all falls under property tax, real estate tax. It's real estate. It's free real estate. This one. Airline tickets, hotel tax. Is state tax on airline tickets deductible? Okay, it says they're not deductible. Is local hotel tax deductible? It says not deductible. I already tried using these top three as an answer. According to Google, these three are not deductible. So, you know what I haven't tried yet is these two. Have I tried those two yet? 1,500 and 690. This plus this, 2,190. According to Google, oh my gosh! Oh my goodness! Dude! That is so funny. so great. This is so great. Oh. I think I answered every question, right? All of my questions should be correct. I should have 10 out of 10 now. I'm just gonna double check all of them. Wait. Yeah, like complete and correct. Complete and correct. Correct. So now I don't have to go through the whole thing. That still took less time. Wow. Took me a while. Like, through Googling, I was able to figure out the answer to the question, but I couldn't figure it out from the textbook. I had to Google. I had to ask Google for a bunch of stuff to figure it out. And I didn't really figure it out. I just kind of guessed a million times until I got it right.